Hello, Desert Dog fans. This is my initial test flight of our new DJI Spark. I'm flying out of Artesia Park. Over there on the left, you see one of the public works guys mowing the fields. And there we go, going up in altitude, getting a nice view of the city. I'm a few hundred feet out right now. I didn't want to go the full distance test on this one. I was just flying around trying to get acclimated to flying a drone. Off there in the distance you can see the famous Artesia water tower over there on the left and now center. That water tower is actually in a few movies. The one I can remember right now was Freddy's Dead, The Final Nightmare. And I'm just flying around. You know, I was surprised at how smooth everything is. All this moving around and stuff, this is just me operating the camera. Right about here, I started messing around with some of the features like the auto track. So the Spark was actually hovering above the gentleman down there, and it was just automatically tracking him. And then here's my first attempt to land, which I gotta say, this is so stable that it was surprisingly simple to land. I've had drones before and they were not GPS drones like this, and they were pretty rough. The landings were pretty rough on those. Yep, that's me right there. One thing that was kind of tough. Well, actually, right here, you get a little shot of some graffiti. One thing that was tough was becoming immersed with the remote control and not having to look up, just focusing on the remote control. But got used to it. And this is my Spark.